Hey everybody, it's Neil. I have a non-electric bidet toilet seat. I'm going to show you guys this here, and then we'll set it up in the bathroom. But it's nice and light here. So we have the hose attachments. So the way it's going to work is, open the bag to open the bag. So we're going to unscrew the hose to the tank and screw this onto the tank, screw the hose into there. And then there's our T, and then the T will go into this. So that's it. That's going to be as hard as it's going to be to do. Then we just take off our toilet seat and put on this here, which has these pieces here. So I'll show you here for a second. I just use even the existing screws and just put this on. So that'll be on the toilet seat. So that's it. So then this will be mounted there. And then these will be the areas where we will connect up the bidet. So then that will connect up to this. Let's see. So this will just snap. This will be on our toilet seat. This will snap in to it. And we will have our bidet. And then we can push rear, front, nozzle clean, and then it will spray. So depending on which one, I don't know which angle is which, but one of these will be spraying the front, one will be spraying the rear. We can adjust our volume over here, and it'll be screwed in just from here. That'll just be screwed up in there like that. So that's where the water will come from. And it's super thin, you can see. So it'll fit under the seat, so you can just keep your existing toilet seat, just screw this in there as well. So super cool. Comes with a washer and some Teflon tape if you need that. And that's really everything. So super easy to do. So I'm gonna set it up and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, I'm gonna explain how I connected it all up. Super simple. I took off the toilet seat. Basically, I just undid these screws here. There's one here, one there. Undid the screws, put the piece in. Then I did the little apparatus down there. Hopefully you can see some of the stuff here. I did this here. I unscrewed that, screwed the new one. Actually, I turned off the water. Unscrewed that, put the new one on, the little T thing connector. Connected it up here. And we're basically done. I mean, it was super simple. It took me 5 minutes. The tools I used were this and this. Just because I needed to tighten it up slightly more. And you can see if we go to nozzle clean, it's going to squirt the water back because that's cleaning the nozzles. If I do rear, I'll do it for a second. Let me turn it way down. Well, see, it's going to, it squirts out there. And the front will squirt out there as well. There we go. So you can see now my wall is all wet, but you get the idea. It definitely works. And you can turn the volume up as much as you want. So super cool, super easy. And now this will get used a lot less, just to pet yourself dry because you'll be getting most of the cleaning from there. So thumbs up.